Check this out. Back with the Volantex beautiful P-51 Mustang. We've got a new gyro in it. So let's test it. We'll get in the air. Hope for the best. Oh, a bit wobbly. My brother's hand tossed it for me. Didn't want to crash it. Got to keep the fingers on the sticks. Probably got to fly very high on this.
High rates.
Might need some high rates.
5 minutes.
I think it's flying pretty good. Flying good. Impressed so far. New gyro from Banggood and receiver, micro receiver. Oh, it's flying nice. That's the level mode. We'll switch it to expert.
Stabilize mode.
Oh, turn the rates down.
Rate.
Oh, it's flying beautiful.
4 minutes.
Well, I'm still in the air. This is something. Oh, it's flying nice. Feels good. Oh, I'm happy now. A little bit of wind. We're not too bad. It's always windy here. I might be going to the left a little bit. Goes up a little bit when it gets that gust of wind. That's alright. I'm just thinking about the trimming, that's all.
3 minutes.
A little bit of trimming. Hope it looks good in the camera. Do some stunts. Look at this, it's flying beautiful. Oh, I'm happy now. I think we've fixed out all our problems. Look at this. It's impressive now. Flying real nice. Wasn't flying good before. I feel like I'm in control now. Flat out. Bit funny then. It's enough power on 2-cell.
2 minutes.
No rocket ship, but it's okay. And flat out. You'll go up. Remember, it is a warbird. Need the speed in the turns. Don't want it to stall. More throttle in the turns. Looks nice in the sun. Oh, it's a beautiful plane now. It's actually flying really nice. I'm impressed. Have got a big battery in it. 850 battery. 2-cell battery. Thinking it is only like a 20C. The landing gear's been reinforced. They are a bit weak. They just pop out. Oh, beautiful. We'll test out the self level now. Get ready for the landing. Which one am I going to land? That's the problem.
Seconds.
I'll land from over this way.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Into the wind.
6, 5, 4,
Watch out for the dog poo.
3.
Oh, pretty good. Back from flying, and we're really happy now. We got this beautiful Mustang flying. We're really happy. We changed out the gyro from the original one to this radio link. Flying nice. Micro receiver, so I can fly with my radio master. Makes us happy. So this is just to show you quickly. So look out for my next video where I'll show you the complete setup. I'll go through what I did. I'll put the link in the description for you for the next video. How to set this gyro up. We've flown it a few times now with no problems. We're really happy. Flies beautiful now. And that's the battery I was running. A little bit heavier. 850 nanotech. Definitely needs the nose weight to make it fly nice. Okay, thanks for watching.